Happy today, family, and thanks for stopping by. Fried corn patties are on the menu today. And here are the ingredients. I have some flour, evaporated milk, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder. I have 3 cheeses here. I have Gruyere, Swiss Gruyere, I have cheddar, and I have Gouda. I have sugar, I have butter and oil, green peppers, and that's green onions. And I have a can of whole kernel corn, drained. Okay, I already have a batter mixed here that I've already put together. You'll have to add all those ingredients. You'll have to use your own discretion. You just mix a little and taste, mix a little and taste. But you want it to be like a kind of thick consistency. And if it gets too thick, then you thin it out with more milk. If it gets too thin, then you can add a little flour. Okay, and let's fry this up. Okay, you want to just coat your pan with oil and butter. You don't want to use too much because it really, that corn and that batter really soaks it up. So that'll about do it there. And then to test it, see if it's hot enough, you can always just throw a piece of corn in. See how it's frying up? It's ready. So I'm just going to take a spoonful. Press it out. I'll take another one. And a little bit more. Press it out. We're going to let this cook until you see the edges starting to brown. You just raise it up a little bit and check the bottom and see if it's brown enough, and then we're going to flip it over. And when that happens, I'll be back. Okay, I flipped 2 and they're about ready. The other one has a little ways to go. And these are ready. I'm going to take them out and plate them up, and I'll be right back. There you have it, fried corn patties. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. Hope you did too. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Do something nice for someone today. And until next time, be well.